Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to your guide on driving the Mercedes-Benz GLE. We'll start by getting you comfortable. Your key fob has several functions, including remote locking and unlocking, and even opening the tailgate. Once inside, press the engine start-stop button, usually found on the right side of the steering column, to bring your powerful engine to life. Remember to always adjust your seat, steering wheel, and all three mirrors to ensure perfect visibility and a comfortable driving position for maximum control and safety. Next, let's explore the GLE's driving dynamics. Your dynamic select switch allows you to tailor the vehicle's performance to your preferences, from a smooth comfort ride to a more responsive sport experience. To get moving, use the convenient stalk-mounted gear selector on the right of your steering wheel to select drive or reverse. And for secure parking, simply engage the electronic parking brake, a small button usually found to the left of the steering wheel, ensuring your vehicle stays firmly in place. Now let's dive into the advanced technology. The MBUX infotainment system is your command center, easily controlled via the large touchscreen or the haptic touchpad. For hands-free operation, just say, "Hey Mercedes," to activate voice control for navigation, climate, or music. Your GLE is also equipped with sophisticated safety features, such as active brake assist, which can help prevent collisions, and blind spot assist, providing visual and audible warnings for vehicles in your blind spots, keeping you and your passengers safer. Finally, let's cover some advanced driving and parking techniques. For long journeys, engage the cruise control system, usually controlled by buttons on your steering wheel, to maintain a consistent speed and reduce driver fatigue. Parking your GLE is made simple with the available 360-degree surround view camera and active parking assist, which can guide you into tight spots. Always remember to perform routine checks, like monitoring your tire pressure and fluid levels, to ensure your Mercedes-Benz GLE remains in peak condition for many years of enjoyable driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.